This is Sunil Ramakrishnan Nair here. And here basically we are discussing about the peace group basically up to what level they group go for the peace. Like this basically that the businessman told that no, that is not okay. We want more thing basically has to happen in his body. Then basically they told that we will give him some head chakkar. Head chakkar means his brain basically has to be damaged. So that basically he's not supposed to think also. Then basically the Brahma Kumari Sanstha told that okay we will do that also. For peace basically we can do anything. Like this basically the Brahma Kumari Sanstha told that yeah basically we are going to do this also. Then basically that businessman told that now it's okay, now it's okay. Then basically again one more SMS came. No, no, that is not okay, that is not okay. So this group basically which was telling that that is not okay, that were basically from sports group and the Bollywood group. Why basically they were telling that that also we are going to see in later on how basically cricket is getting handled, that each and everything basically we are going to see, and how basically Congress group basically is handling each and every sector basically, that also we are going to how they are handling, that also we are going to see and up to what level these Congress groups are there. 22 crore Indian nationality basically that are basically placed by Congress group, that it basically contains BJP also. BJP is one of the Congress groups person basically we can say. And that Canada basically I have taken one example of Canada president, Canada prime minister basically. He basically is a person of BJP. So you can just imagine. Congress basically created BJP, BJP created Canada. Like this, basically, each and every links are there. So, like this, basically, how they are handling each and everything. So, here basically the story was that particular person basically head also was damaged by Congress group. This all basically Congress was doing. Then basically Congress, the peace person, peace group basically Brahma Kumari group. They also comes into the Congress government. They basically told that now it's okay. We have damaged his head also. This much, damage is okay for you, businessman. Businessman means he was a software businessman basically. Then the Brahma Kumari Sanstha told that it's okay, or you want anything more to we have to do. And in this Brahma Kumari Sanstha, basically police groups are also there. Lots of bad people are also there, because to damage the head you can just imagine up to what level the plan basically we have to do. You have to attack in the inside the blood cells, and what are the else basically you have to do the damage. You have to hijack the 24 hours oxygen power supply which he is getting from the ONGC, IPCL, Reliance. These all basically groups basically gives the 24 hours 24 hours oxygen supply to each and every people in the Indian nationality. Sorry, in India basically we are staying. So that basically like this basically the Brahma Kumari contacted these all groups also. It might be ONGC, it might be Reliance also. So like this, basically they told that we have a contact of Reliance also. Like this, basically they given the data of that particular person and Aadhaar card. In this, basically Infosys also basically connected, because Aadhaar card software is created by Infosys group. Like this, basically the Infosys group told that yeah, basically this is the Aadhaar card number and this is the address. And like this basically his physical address was also given to the, assume that this was done by the Reliance group or ONGC group, any group, or it might be AIMS groups also. Any group basically might have done this. Like this basically they told that yeah, basically we are trying this hijacking his oxygen power supply, and we have hijacked his oxygen power supply through power supply, and the oxygen power supply which he is getting through the in through 24 hours. For that basically we need one person basically who should be connected with that boy basically. Like this basically they picked a few people basically who were basically, he was basically contacting, he was connecting with them, he was chatting with them. Like this basically they basically like this whole information basically the Bollywood groups have given to that Congress party, because Bollywood groups are was created by the Congress group. And Bollywood group, basically all people says that each and every original people are staying in Mumbai, but it's not like that. In front of the world, it's each and every things are false. So each and every original people are not staying in Mumbai. Most of people, basically the Bollywood powerful people, basically they don't stay in Mumbai because they know now what they are doing. This is the best example. So like this, basically the Bollywood group told that he is basically chatting with three four people. If we can hijack that particular mobile, the person's mobile, and he's connected with that another mobile also, that person's mobile. So they told that yeah, basically we can hijack that mobile also, we can hijack his home power supply also, and like this basically we will attack his body. That is basically his oxygen power supply. So like this basically they have hijacked each and everything. This all basically are done by the Congress group businessmen and that Brahma Kumari group, because they want peace in city. So like this, they hijacked his oxygen power supply, which he was getting 24 hours, and like this, basically his head was. That basically took lots of time. Basically, it was not 1 or 2 days task. Basically, whatever things he has eaten, whatever things he was drinking, each and every data basically was captured by the Bollywood groups, because Bollywood groups tells that we have each and every information of the each and every single home. So like this Bollywood groups told that basically that's why we are basically taking the money in crores also by the companies, like this Bollywood director, Bollywood producer, Bollywood actor, Bollywood actress, all basically have the information of each and every house. So like this, the Congress government has created these all weapons. Weapon basically we can say this is a one of the weapon basically. Like this, they told that yeah, basically we have hijacked his each and every things, and then basically we have damaged his head. Like this, basically the story says that his head was damaged. Now basically that peace group basically again contacted to that businessman, software businessman. Now it's okay. Then he told it, yeah, yeah, it's okay. Then basically again an SMS came. No, this is not okay. This is not okay. Then basically one of the Bollywood group, basically actor, old actor, basically he told that we want blood from his ash. Ash means basically you can everybody knows ash means backside, basically from where the stool basically comes. So there, from there, basically we want the blood. Then only basically that we can basically able to have we can do the advertising. See basically see that that stool basically which he is having full of bloods. So like this basically they have done the plan of blood also. Like how they have done that basically, that we will going to discuss later on, how basically they have done the ash tool blood. Like this basically they have done this also. After that basically that businessman told that yeah, now it's okay. Now that businessman told that if he do again job in software company, then what he will what about this? Then basically the peace people told that yeah, basically we will try basically to finish his career also. So they basically told that we have each and every videos of this how basically stool basically got blood cells, each and everything. Basically, we will do the advertising in each and every software company. See, basically this type of person he is. So the Bollywood, the software companies told that basically we can't keep this type of person basically who is having blood in his stool basically, and which kind, how basically he got the blood cells. That basically video also basically have we have. So we can't keep this type of person basically. They have done the advertising in USA also, because USA is handling each and every software company. Like this, the peace group basically told that yeah, basically we have done one task of peace by giving blood cells in his stool basically. Like this whole thing basically, that particular boy basically knows each and everything, but he has never told anything to anybody basically. Like this Brahma Kumari Sanstha like group basically they told that yeah, We have done our task by peace, to keep peace basically in city. Basically, we have finished one boy also basically, because he was just one boy basically. He was a normal boy basically. He was not telling anything to anyone like this basically. The Brahma Kumari Sanstha basically told that, yeah, basically we will finish his career also. For that basically we are doing lots of things basically, like this basically. The his career basically finish also basically, they have started like this, that they are doing the advertising of videos basically of the stool blood cells, how basically the blood cells was coming out from the stool. This all basically they told that we are doing everything for peace. For peace basically we are doing this all this thing. Like this, the businessman told that, yeah, yeah, Brahma Kumari, you are great, you are great. Then basically Brahma Kumari got few checks from that businessman. Take this 100 crore, take this 200 crore, take this 300 crore, take this 400 crore, take this 500 crore. And the Brahma Kumari told that, yeah, basically we got 500 crore from having stool from that particular boy's ass. So then Brahma Kumari told that, yeah, basically we have achieved the peace uh, broad line basically, you can say. Peace means, you can say, this all are peace basically. You see, each and everything basically, the businessman told that we will create problem in city, we will create problem in states, we will create problem in India. So we have to, if you want to keep peace, then basically we have to damage that particular boy also. Like this, lots of damage basically happened. Head damage, his body got damaged. Then basically his ash basically got damaged. His ash basically was coming blood. Like this, each and everything basically to keep peace in the peace in city. They have done each and everything. So you can just imagine the Congress party, how Congress groups are there. Groups has created this Brahma Kumari. Congress groups has created this Patanjali also. Congress groups are creating the police group also. Congress groups has created this army group also. Congress groups has created this BJP also. These all are the weapon of the Congress group. Like this, they have done the each and every damage to that boy. Here, basically, the story of this boy is not real. It's a fake. It's not real. So, like this is also one of the part of what actually the Congress is.